After I had some owl droppings, I sifted through it and tried to clean up the resulting skulls. The other bones were really small and fragile and seemed to take a long time to clean, and I had lost most of them, but I did keep the skulls because I thought just their kind of certified beauty on top of everything else. And it appears to me that most of these are just rodent skulls. The only thing I see different is that you have these teeth that seem to come from the bottom, whereas then you have these teeth that come from the bottom, but they seem to go all the way up to the mouth. They seem to be more connected bone-wise than these do. So the part that keeps the tooth in place seems to be closer to the top of the skull on this rodent versus here. Calling it a rodent, not really knowing much about biology. Even perhaps this. So I'm assuming that this does go here, and that potentially a few of these might be, like this might be a shrew, without me really understanding, again, the biology of this. But yeah, fascinating.